A design becomes more engaging when the viewer's eye always has a clear path to follow. Today, how to design directional frame compositions. Open Canva and create a 1080 by 1350 vertical canvas. Begin with a warm off-white background and add a soft neutral gradient. Insert 3 portrait frames and arrange them in a staggered pattern from top to bottom. Upload your images and place them into the frames, adjusting crops carefully to maintain consistency. Increase the size of the middle frame slightly to create emphasis. Apply gentle shadows to every frame and reduce the blur settings for a clean appearance. Add thin connecting lines between the frames and lower their